I'm George, and as you can see, my spacesuit texture pack is no longer working. I'm playing the brand new 1.16.2 Minecraft Java, and there's been a change in the pack.mc meta file. Let's take a look at what that change is and how I can get my texture pack to work again and get my spacesuit back on. Now, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to click on share and subscribe. Hit that bell icon for notifications of my new videos, and of course, check out my channel for a bunch more Minecraft stuff. Alright, let's get out of here, and I'll go over to the desktop. But first, let's uninstall that resource pack I used from my spacesuit. I'll hit the escape key, click into options, and resource packs, and it should be gone. It actually is. It's been moved over here, and they're all red. That's because all of these are for the earlier version of Minecraft, the 1.16.1 version. These are all fine for that. Now they no longer work. There's the spacesuit right there. We'll fix that one, and this will show you how to fix all of your other resource packs as well. Okay, so that's been removed from the game. That's fine. Let's switch over to the desktop now and take a look at what we need to change in the 1.16.2. First, we're back here at the launcher screen. Make sure you're working in 1.6.2. You see it right down there, latest release. That's what we're playing right now. Now, to make this work, you have to have played this at least once. So as soon as you see the upgrade happening, go ahead, click on play, open the game up, let it load in, and then close it down. The reason for that is that it downloads the jar file the first time you play that. So if you don't play it, you're not going to see that jar file. All right, let's now switch over here to just a standard folder. And let's type in %appdata% and find the Minecraft folder. There we go, and go right here in Minecraft. And then come down to versions right there. And in here, if we come down, we'll see that right there. Okay, let's go ahead and open this one up. And you should see the jar file and the JSON file. The jar file, again, won't show up until you play the game one time at least. Now, if you're not seeing .jar and .json, you're only seeing just two files with the numbers on them, go up to View and go over here where it says File Name Extensions. Make sure that is checked. You'll then see the extensions. Now, if you're only seeing just one file in here and you're not seeing the jar file, I'll just hide it, kind of like that. If that's all you're seeing, then you haven't played the game once yet. So if you're only seeing just the JSON file, play the game once, and you'll then see both files. Okay, I'm going to copy this file over to my hard drive so we can then take a look inside. Okay, here's the folder on my hard drive where I build all my resource packs. You can make this any folder you want. I called mine Custom Texture Packs. And I'll simply right drag this over here, the jar file, and copy. And that puts it over here on this side. Now you can open this up using anything you want. I normally use 7-zip. WinRAR also works out just fine. If you don't have either of those, all you have to do is just change the name of this to .zip instead of .jar. Like that, it will ask you to OK that. There it is. Exact same thing. The jar file is just a zip file that's been named .jar instead of .zip. We can now go inside of this and see what that change was. So let's double click on here, open this up so you can see inside. And the first thing you'll see inside is this folder location. The assets folder is up there. We're not bothering with that this time around. And then a big long list of these class files. Just scroll way down, and it's all the way down at the P's. I'll scroll real fast down here. And way down. And there we go. There's the pack MC meta, and here's your pack PNG icon file right there. So in the pack MC meta, let's take a look at this. Open this up. And here's the thing that has changed. It's the pack format right there. The pack format is now 6 instead of 5. So with the version 1.16.2, pack format has been changed to 6. There it is. So all we have to do is to go back to our previous resource packs and then change the pack format 5 to a pack format 6, and they should work out just fine. Let's go back to this folder and just back up here to the .minecraft folder location and come down to the resource packs, and here's all of our resource packs. And the one I want to fix right now is this spacesuit.zip. Now this has already been made non-active inside the game, so that's fine. So let's open this one up. I'm just going to right click and we'll unzip this. I'll unzip this in this location, and I'll just choose extract all. This uses the Windows tool here to extract this, the Windows zip tool. There we go. There's the extracted zip file, and here's the contents of that. Let's go into pack MC meta. Now I open mine up inside of Windows Notepad. If you don't have that, just right click on that and then come down here to open with. If you see it on the list, go ahead and choose it here. If you don't see it here, you can choose default program right down there and then find that. Okay, let's open that up. And all I need to do really is just to change the 5 to a 6. Now the format has changed slightly for this whole thing. The description has been put in the front and the pack form has been put in the back, but that doesn't matter. It's going to work either way. So go ahead and do save. All right, that is done. Let's close that down. I'm going to delete this one. Just right click and we'll delete that. And then we'll re-zip up this one right here. I'll do this with the Windows zip tool again. Just select it, go up to share and hit zip, and there it is. Okay, this should now work inside the game. Let's go back and check the game out. Okay, I'll hit the escape key and let's go into options and resource packs, and let's find that Spacesuit resource pack. There we go. That's now showing just fine. I'll just bring that over. Looks okay. Let's choose done. Let it reload that resource pack. And then once this is done, we'll choose done again and back to game. And there we go. There's my spacesuit. So that's what's changed here in the 1.16.2 as far as these resource packs go. You need to change that 5 to a 6, and then your resource pack should work just fine like that. Now right now I'm inside of a Bastion Remnant, and I'm slowly kind of taking this one over. I took over the bridge in here. There's some gold back there, and I'm working on making the bridge secure, and then working my way into the Bastion. And I'll do some videos on this as we move further forward. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to click on share and subscribe as well. Hit that bell icon for notifications of my new videos, and of course check out my channel for a bunch more Minecraft stuff. All right, and I'll see you later.